girls, welcome back. By the way, remember that video, like where I was going to, yawn or sigh, whatever? Well, that video really wasn't me, like, doing that, no. Cause, I was like, really holding back, like, a yawn, or maybe to sigh, or whatever. I was really just, hiding that. Yeah. Cause, to be honest, I just, I just really don't want anyone, like, to, take a real good look inside of my mouth. No. Because, if anyone were to, take a look at it, I would be so embarrassed. Yeah. That's how I would feel. Like, if anyone, like, was to catch me yawning. Yeah. Cause, I don't yawn like that in those videos. No. I would show you if I could, but, I would show you if I could, yeah. But, the thing is that, I'm just really shy to, really to show that off. Yeah. I'm like so shy. Like, I just want to stay being speechless forever and not ever showing it off at all. No. Yeah. Cause, I just never really, got to show, like, the real insides of my mouth. Yeah. But, and I just really don't want to show that off. No. I just don't. But I will show it off, yes. But only to my girlfriend. Like, once I already have a girlfriend. Yeah. And I'm like living with her. Yeah. Then I would show her everything of me. Yeah. Yeah. I would. Yes. So please, don't hate me for that. Please don't. I'll see you later. I'll see ya.